In this video, I'm going to show you how to customize your S8 Plus custom ROM using a ROM control app, and I will put the description link on the description. So once you install that application and the ROM, you will get this ROM control app. You just open it and it has some basic feature. I'm just going to go through them real quick. So when you click on the top left corner, these three horizontal bars, you will get this menu. So first one is for the app. So you click on app and then you will have this add away, which stop and blocks ads coming in. What you gotta do once a week, just come in and check for updates. And if it's there asking for updates, just run that updates. And others, DPI changer and all these, you don't need it. Don't mess around with it because you can mess up your computer cell phone. So I just don't play with it. And then you go to the modes. Same thing with these. I don't normally let the users use them because you can easily mess up your system. So don't worry about those. Some customization. So let's see, you want to customize your dialing pad for your cell phone. So right now it's active or inactive. If you activate, then you have three ways to customize. When you click on background type, you have image, solid color, and gradient. If you want to just use the image, just use image and download whatever image you want to download. Let's say I'm going to just download the Superman logo, and that's for the cell phone. So if I go to my dialing pad and dial any number, it will come up. So that's how you change your dialing pad pictures. It is under the cell phone. If you don't want it, you just cut it off and it would never come up. And then you go to the click on the back, and then you got a navigation, and your navigation on the down bottom, you see the colorful. If you don't want it, you just cut it off and it will go away. If you want to have some customization, you can choose whatever you want to. I normally use gradient, and once you choose the gradient, you will see these options. The main color, you want to choose something dark, you choose here, and then something extra dark, you choose. You can see it's changed the color. And if you want to have like an image, since it's too small and I'm going to change it to the image, it's not going to show anything because it's just too small for the image. So normally for that reason I use the gradient for the navigation bar. If you don't want to, you just cut it off, go back again, and the status bar on your top, same thing goes. If you don't want, you can cut it off. If you want to customize, you can customize your own way, whatever easy or good looking for you. So you change it. If you don't want to, same, cut it off. If you want to put the image, just go and select the image, and it shows the, since it's too small, it's hard to see. And then you go back, and then your pull down. So your pull down is this, under your notification panel. Right now I have a wallpaper set up saying Galaxy S8 Plus, and I want to change it to moon, blood moon. So now it's blood moon. If I don't like it, I just change to so now it is this. And as I say, all these customization has the option you can cut them off. Once you cut them off, there it will just go default. But if you want to keep something, just keep it. And then same goes to the status bar, clock. You can change the layout. You just play with these settings. More you play, more you learn. So basically it's just saying that location of the clock, if you want to have, right now is center. If you choose left, it will go to the left, and normally like it on the center. And the same thing with the stock, 3 main tab, it says not installed. Same with the, if you want to show network traffic, data, you can choose enable that, but then I don't like to have that because so many options, so many things on the status bar, so I normally don't have it. Cancel, so I go animation, and you can choose the scale, whatever scale you want to. I just leave it by default. So notification background and text color, it's just the same thing right here. I normally don't mess around with it, but if you want to, you can choose image or color or whatever you want to. If you don't want to, you just cut it off and it will go back to the default. It's just a more customization. Same thing here, and in calls, so same thing. Let me show you. DPI changer is that's your resolution. Don't mess around with it, because if you do, it can break the ROM. So I don't let the users to go and mess around with it. Just leave as it is, because this is the one of the application where you can easily change the settings and your cell phone would never come back again. And so where's the status bar, background, pull down, and then modes and settings, kill app, same thing, lock screen, battery style. UID is always on display. I don't use it because it uses a lot of battery power, so I don't mess around with it. Node crown, same, I already show you guys. Device info, statics, what's going on, GPS. I don't have any SIM, so that's why I don't see anything. So that's pretty much it. Normally you use a select image or background options or status bar options where you can choose. And the 3-minute battery is disabled under the ROM control app because I have it installed right here under the root mode. So you go here and you go here and change any battery icon on the top right corner. It's too big, so you click on these dots, go to the settings, and you can make the size big or small as you want. I normally keep it that much, and I use this number 5 charging animation. That looks good. And if you want to have another type of now this one looks small, so you go in and make it big. So that's pretty much it, and there's everything else you should leave as it is.